Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to hard boil an egg perfectly every time. First, choose eggs that are about 1 week old. They are much easier to peel than very fresh ones. Gently place your eggs in a saucepan, ensuring they are in a single layer. Then, cover them with cold water, making sure there is about 1 inch of water above the eggs. Finally, prepare a large bowl filled with ice and cold water, ready for the next step. Now, place your saucepan over high heat and bring the water to a full, rolling boil. As soon as it reaches a vigorous boil, immediately turn off the heat. Cover the pan tightly with a lid and let the eggs sit in the hot water. For a firm yet creamy yolk, let them sit for 12 minutes. If you prefer a very firm, opaque yolk, allow 15 minutes. You can also add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt or vinegar to the water to help prevent shell cracks. Once the cooking time is up, use a slotted spoon to immediately transfer the eggs from the hot water into your prepared ice bath. Let them cool completely for at least 15 minutes. This rapid cooling stops the cooking process and helps the egg white contract, making them much easier to peel. To peel, gently tap the egg on a hard surface to create small cracks, then roll it to loosen the shell. For the cleanest peel, try peeling them under cool, running water. Proper storage ensures your hard-boiled eggs stay fresh and delicious. Unpeeled eggs can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. If you've already peeled them, place them in an airtight container with a damp paper towel to maintain moisture, also for up to 7 days. Remember, never leave hard-boiled eggs at room temperature for more than 2 hours to ensure food safety. Enjoy your perfectly cooked eggs as a quick snack, in salads, or as part of your favorite recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.